I'm Professor Angela Rasmussen from the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Utah. And I wanted to just welcome you to Senior Design Projects. We're going to have an interesting year. I wanted to kind of go over a little bit of information and welcome you to the course. So that all of you are aware, for those that are assigned to clinics, you will be given $500. You're going to see that in the tuition portion in the spring. So it will post to your account typically right before tuition is due. And so you won't see that till the spring, and it will be $500 per person in the clinics. If you want additional amounts, and for those that aren't in clinics, you can try to receive some of the awards that are given at the technical open house. And so we give awards. They're great, and they are up to $1,000. So that's quite a bit of money. So you can opt to get those awards. Those areas go into the best teams, both for clinic and individual teams. It also is for the best presentations, those that do have kind of a best all-around project. So there's different areas that there is judging for, and you'll get more details come spring on those awards themselves. But do know at this point that there are some awards up for grabs. So work hard, do well, and you might be able to also receive those awards. At the end of the year, which is in spring, in April, a couple weeks before classes end, we do a technical open house. And what you're going to be doing is submitting a video for that, and then you're going to be meeting, we're hoping, in person, but we will see what conditions are. If it still is not able to be held, we'll do a virtual question and answer session for that. So if it is in person, you'll have a poster session where everyone will have watched your video presentation beforehand, and then you will get to go to the poster presentation after. So those will be pre-recorded presentations, and then you'll have a question and answer session, and hopefully we will be able to have that in person. If not, it will be held remotely again. This is what we did last spring also. During that same week, we have the ECE Senior Banquet and Celebration, where we give the awards at that point. So you'll see if you received an award or not based on your presentations at the Technical Open House, and along with also your project throughout the year. This is a great celebration to honor you, and so we try to make sure that you are in attendance for that. And again, I'll give that date once we've settled that date for spring, and also if we know that conditions will be able to be held in person, it will be a banquet. If not, we'll do a virtual celebration online for that. And again, that's typically the same week as the technical open house. So as I mentioned, you're going to be doing a formal presentation of your work. Even though you're working in groups, you'll each have 10 minutes to present for each individual person. These will be formal presentations that you will pre-record and submit. And then if we can, we will have this interactive forum for everyone where it will be a poster session where you'll be answering questions and answers based on your pre-recorded video that the judges will have watched, and your peers will have watched, and others will have watched beforehand. All right, welcome to Senior Projects. Let me know if you have any questions.